This is group 9303, and we will be going over our completed features for the Digital Doctor app. We will cover the developed features in sprints 3 and 4. Our main goals for the past 2 sprints were to complete the diagnosis detail page and finish database population. Finishing the database population will make all symptom input information and diagnosis available to the user. We were also able to complete the book page, which is a task from Sprint 5. We implemented the diagnosis detail page, which shows the user's diagnosis after completing a search sequence. As you can see on the diagnosis page, there's an icon on the top that lets the user know the severity of their diagnosis. The icon will either be a green check mark, which indicates there's not an emergency, a yellow caution symbol that indicates a warning, or a red warning signal that indicates an emergency. If the diagnosis is either a warning or an emergency, then a button will appear under the icon that will take the user to a Google Maps page showing nearby emergency rooms based on the user's location. On the diagnosis page, there's also a detailed description of the diagnosis to provide further information. The top of the diagnosis page includes a back button that takes the user to the last level of search, and a restart button to restart the search sequence from the first prompt. Since the database has been completed, the app now contains all information from your body's red light warning signals. We have verified that each search screen takes the user to the correct diagnosis page. We also completed the book page this sprint, which provides more information about the book that the app is based on. The user can navigate to the book screen by clicking on the book icon on the bottom navigation bar. On this screen, there's the book title, book cover, an Amazon link to purchase the book on Amazon, and a short description of the book. If the user clicks on the link, they will be redirected to the corresponding Amazon page in a web browser. We have also created an emergency button on the homepage of the application. The user can click on this on the homepage and immediately view nearby emergency rooms. This is one of our stretch goals. This concludes our Sprint 3 and 4 demonstration. We have covered the following features: diagnosis detail page, the back and restart buttons for the diagnosis detail page, the Google Maps functionality within the diagnosis detail page, the book page, and an emergency button, which is on the home page.